welcome to acheive TV. Today I'm showing you how to achieve this look, the eye makeup. It's super easy, super simple. You only need 3 colors. The color that I am using right now is a transition color. This color is to ensure that my entire makeup look looks flawless and that it's well blended. Now I'm going with a peach color all over my lid to make sure that my eyes stand out. As you can see, I'm applying it everywhere. It takes time, but you just want to blend and make sure that it appears the way you want it to appear. And you want to do the same color on both eyes. So once you're done with the first one, then you apply it the same way on the second one. Now I'm going on with another color, a color that is more cream, just to put some light on my eyes, just to make it look bigger. And then I'm blending it. Now I'm going with a darker shade just to create some dimension on my eyes, and I'm focusing on the outer corner of my eyes. This color is a color that is close to peach, however it's a little bit darker. It's not too burgundy, it creates a nice fade from light to dark from the beginning to the end. I upload a video every week, so I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Now let's move on to mascara. Guys, I hate wearing mascara. It takes so long. As you can see, like I'm going from each hair by hair, and it takes forever to apply mascara. However, today I wanted to apply some and show you my application. I'm going from the beginning to the end, and I do some little strokes, but at the end I always go for a nice pair of false lashes. If you like those lashes, I have some available from acheive, some that are really natural that will fit your eye shape. So now I'm applying my false lashes. I'm thinking about doing a course on false lashes. If you want to join the waitlist, just comment below, let me know, and then I'll add you to the list. So I'm just making sure that it's well glued and that there's nothing that comes off. So once I think it's good, then I apply the other side as well. Note that the most important part of false lashes are the beginning and the end. If one of them is not glued well, it's not going to stay. Now just to complete the look, I'm adding some orange under my eyes. If you've never tried this trick, I encourage you to do it. You'll see a huge difference. You see that it creates an effect as if your eyes are starting from down to high. Thank you for watching until the end. I have another video that I just posted and I really think that you'll be interested, so go check it out here.